How do I save an Excel spreadsheet as a semicolon separated values file? I am running Excel and would like to export my file as a.scsv, semicolon separated values, sheet instead of a.csv. Is there any way to do this? PS I can't do a.csv and search and replace commas with semicolons because the fields contain commas already.
How about doing tab delimited and replacing the tabs with semicolons? In Excel, File, Save As, in Format select Tab Delimited Text, .text, then hit Save. Open the file in Notepad and open the Replace window. Since you can't tab directly into this window, copy a tab from your document and then paste it into the Find box and put your into the Replace box. Then replace all. I assume this would work because it is very rare to have tabs within an Excel document.
I don't think you can set output separator directly in Excel, but, assuming Windows, you could change OS list separator to. That's done in regional settings, customize. Excel will use that setting outputting your CSV files.
If you would like a script, paste the following in a module.
One, change file format to .csv, semicolon delimited. To achieve the desired result, we need to temporarily change the delimiter setting in the Excel options. Move to File, Options, Advanced, Editing section. Uncheck the Use System Separators setting and put a comma in the decimal separator field. Now save the file in the .csv format and it will be saved in the semicolon delimited format.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.